Let's draw a beautiful dream. A tiny hut, a gentle stream. Let's draw a sun shining in gold and white clouds with stories untold.
Let's gather all the colors, make a garden bright and new. Fly just like the butterflies, spinning round the stars with you. Such a sweet adventure here, happiness is everywhere. Let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play. Up on the clouds we jump and play, touch the sun and breathe the day. Paper plane of colors bright, singing songs in golden light. A little hop above the sky, the sweetest dream as we float by. Laugh and play our whole life long. Oh yeah! In the garden of swirling colors we play, imagining our toys just float away. Dancing flowers wave their petals so bright, butterflies join in a magical sight. High above the clouds, a brand new place. Come on, let's play with a joyful grace. Come on and play today. Let's take a jump up to the sky, watch the little busy world go by. We can bounce on fluffy clouds so high and let the happy feelings fly. We're dancing where the bright stars sparkle. We're dancing where the bright stars sparkle. Let's go to the garden today, a magic place to run and play. The flowers